Once I was passing through, I want to go to a shop, and the shop is ahead of the road. So I parked the car this side because there was no parking there. And I just came out, and the vehicles were going to and fro. So I stopped them. I locked the car. Then I was looking on the side. There were two people who was fighting at each other. One was a boy, college student, college boy, and a college girl. The college girl was bombarding him with a lot of things. You are doing this. You are looking at that girl. You always betray me. So you are a bewafa. All these things. Wow. Wow. But the main thing was that the reaction of the boy, which I liked it very much, was like that. So when she was saying like this, the first say that you are cheating me, that he was a, and she was like, no, you looked at that girl. Hmm. Then she started bombarding you are not, you are liar. So, that was a scene which always remembers me very well, because always the girlfriends will be having lot of complaints, and these complaints goes on forever till they get married.